Hi everyone, my name is Jake with Classic Trim Parts, and today I'm down in the garage with the SL600, and I'll show you two simple tutorials on things you can fix on this car that'll make it a lot better. So I've got the top handle here. This is the handle right in the middle above the rear view mirror, and then I've got sun visor clips. And both of these are really simple to fix, and we have these available on our website in all OEM colors, so you can find the exact part to match your vehicle. It's a little dark down here, so I'm using a flashlight, but this is what I was talking about. The top handle is right above the dome light cover and rear view mirror, and you could do this with the top up or down, it doesn't really matter, but there are two screws here, one on the left and one on the right. So just grab a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew those, and these tend to become discolored over time, or they could also crack from the old plastic. So these are oftentimes broken, but you can fix them quite easily. Just unscrew those. Then pull it out of there, take your new one, and I will show you the old one after, what happened to it over time. Take the new one, and then reattach your screw. And that is basically the whole tutorial. Like I said, super easy. And if yours is all messed up, it'll definitely make the appearance of the car a lot better. There we go. And then take a look at this one, the old one. I'm not sure if you could really tell from the camera, but this screw up top is cracked, so it does break over time. So you can repair that quite easily. So the next tutorial is for the sun visor clips here. You can start by unhooking your sun visor, and then take a flathead screwdriver and then pry open the flap that's on the bottom of the clip. Once you open it, you could take a Phillips screwdriver again and open up the screw at the back of it. You should be able to pull it right out. Wiggle it out, just like that. And the clips, they're metal connectors. On the sun visor clip, they might become stuck, so you could just pull those out, and then take the screw out from the clip and grab your new clip, push it in, make sure it's snug in there, and then you can put the screw back in. Once that's tight, you could close the flap and reconnect your visor. And that is another simple tutorial. You can find both of these products on our website, classictrimparts.com. And again, we have them in all of the OEM colors for R129s. So visit our website, give us a like, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.